Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dinda Alfaila and my friend.
My name is Dinda Yantika Putri.
Today we will practice interviewing each other. Hi, let's discuss this question together. First, about food. Do you prefer to cook at home or to eat outside, and why?
Personally, I prefer to cook at home because it is healthier and more money. How about you?
I prefer eating outside because I'm not really good at cooking and it's much more practical. And by the way, have you ever cooked a dish that required a lot of work? What is?
Yes, I have. I tried making traditional beef rendang once. It took hours to get the perfect texture. It was exhausting but worth it. What about you? What?
Wow, rendang is tough. For me, it was making a layer birthday cake for my mom. It took me that whole afternoon. And next question, what do you usually do when are you eating?
I usually watch video essays or a series on my phone while eating. I know it is bad hobby. Hello. I know it's a bad habit, but it's relaxing. What about you?
Some here. I usually scroll through social media or YouTube or watch YouTube videos. And now let's move on to films. What was the last film to watch about and when you did watch it?
I watched an animated movie called Inside Out last weekend. It was about a teenage girl dealing with new complex emotions like anxiety. It was really good. What was yours?
I want to see that. The last film I watched was a mystery thriller about a detective solving a cold case. I watched 2 days ago. So, what type of films do you like watching in general?
I really like watching sci-fi and slice of life movies. They are either super imaginative or very relatable. You?
I love psychological thrillers and horror films. They keep me on the edge of my seat. What is the best film you have watched in your life? Why?
That's hard, but I think it is Interstellar. The visual, the music, and the emotional father-daughter story are just amazing. What's yours?
For me, it's the Shawshank Redemption. It has the best storyline about hope and friendship. I can watch it over and over again.
Let's jump to the next section. Habits. What were you doing yesterday at 7 o'clock in the evening?
Yesterday at 7 p.m., I was doing my college assignment while listening to some music. And what are you doing?
I was having dinner with my family at the time. And what are you doing when this season is over?
I'm going straight to the canteen because I'm starving. What about you?
I'm going to the library to return some book.
Last section, language. Were you learning English when you were 5 years old?
I wasn't at 5 years old. I was just playing around and barely spoke my native language properly. Haha, were you?
No, I started English. No, I started learning English much later in elementary school. Did you always want to learn English? Why or why not?
Yes, I did. I wanted to learn English because I wanted to understand international movies without subtitle, and most games use English. What about you?
Yes, because I realize English is a global language and it will be very useful for my future career. Final question, have you studied any other language? Are you studying any other language now?
I studied basic Japanese back in high school, but I'm not studying any other language right now. I want to focus on my English first. How about you?
I haven't studied other foreign language seriously, but I'm actually interested in learning Korean or Spanish in the future.
That sounds cool. Well, thanks for the great discussions.
Thanks to see you around.
Okay, thank you for watching and happy watching. Dadah.
See you.